Hello everyone, welcome to the Laravel Solutions series. So today's video is about how we can truncate our table in the Laravel. So let's get started. So we are going to truncate this table. So first understand that what is truncation. So let's go here and go to the Stack Overflow, this link. Someone asked this a few years ago, and here this method is also working and this one is also working. So we are going to, you can also read it from there. So let me go down. So it's a query builder object which return the collection. So it means that you can truncate the table like db facet and then table name and then simply truncate. So it will empty your table when if you have many records in your table, so you can truncate them. So what is the purpose of this truncation? So if you are saving 10 user, you don't want to save above than 10. So then you are going to first truncate the existing one and then you are going to seed them again. So before seeding you can apply this truncation. So let's go to the text editor and understand it properly. So let me clear this out. So here I'm truncating this Guardian tables and then I'm going to seed this one. So let me open the Guardian table here for you. So this one is not the db, so let me go to the exact db. So this one is the Guardian table which is empty by default. Oh, it's not empty, it's having some rows. So I want to truncate this table, right? So let's go here and run php or tsun db seed, and then I'm going to execute this Guardian seeder, and it's throwing the error that violation can't truncate a table. Why? Because it's failing due to foreign keys, right? So how can I run this? So there is two ways. The first one is Laravel eloquent way, and then second one is query builder. So let's do it as Laravel eloquent way. Okay, so here you need to apply the schema, right? So it's a facade. So let me add this at the top, and first you need to add the disable foreign key constraint. So here we are disabling the foreign key constraint. We are setting this to a 0, and then we are going to enable them again after this truncation, right? So disable, not disable it, so we need to add the enable. So let me do this with the Laravel eloquent. So my eloquent name is Guardian. So my text editor is not helping me out. Okay, it's a Guardian class, and not class, it would be a truncate. You can call this like this, truncate. So let me check that out, that I think I don't have Guardian model. So let me go to the top. I'm seeding this from another project, that's why I don't have this Guardian model. So let me add this and I'm coming back. Okay, I have added this Guardian model here. So let's go back, and here this is not added at the top. So let me add this Guardian at the top. So this would be a Guardian, and yes, now it's added at the top. And now I'm going to execute this again, right, with the same class of seeder. So it's going to execute now. So it's executing, and yes, our database seeding is completed successfully. So we did this through Laravel eloquent. So how we can do this query builder? So you need to just change it here. So you need to type db facade, and then you need to call the table method, and here you need to type your table name manually. So in my case it's a Guardian table, and then I'm going to call this truncate method here, and then that's it. You don't need to do anything. So let me clear this out and run it again, and yes, it's also executing. And wait for a moment, and yes, our database seeding is completed successfully. So it means that we successfully fixed this issue. So if you are facing this issue, you can fix this very quickly. So let's now take eye on my YouTube channel. So my name is Nazi, and I'm full stack web developer who I'm shooting the videos on the Laravel daily. So you can check them out. So there is a lot of videos, and I have 10 plus playlist on the Laravel, so you can get the playlist. I'm shooting the advanced playlist like Zoho integration, HTTP client, and then I'm going to fullCalendar, Laravel steps, Laravel advanced concepts, and that's it. So I'm also shooting the video, I'm also posting the tips and tricks on my YouTube channel, so you can get the regular updates from my YouTube channel. So subscribe the YouTube channel and stay connected. Bye bye.